Parrots live in the jungle. They are small. They can be blue, red, green, black, and yellow. They've got 2 legs, 2 wings, and a long tongue. They've got small eyes, small nose, and very small ears, and a small tongue.
They are short. They can fly. They aren't headed. They eat vegetables. They lay eggs. They are wild animals.
They are endangered.
Macaws are ruddy clothes of macaws bats. They live in a Peruvian rainforest. Why they congregate daily to eat clay by the footful is still a question. Study of this smart, long-lived bird brings the promise of knowledge that might help protect them from deer admirers.
My name is Randy.
My name is Sita.
My name is Anna.
My name is Patrícia.